What's up, guys? Got a little unboxing review here. Just went to the Harbor Freight, had a 20% off coupon for Hercules stuff. Been wanting pick me up a variable speed 8-inch grinder, bench grinder, so that's what I went and got me. I'm gonna unbox it and fire it up and put this wire wheel on there that I also got from the Harbor Freights. Maybe it won't be an eye poker, so let's get it unboxed and get it set up where we can use it. Looks like we got our instructions, our brackets for our bench, more pieces for the bench rest. There's the little benches. Eye guards. And there is the main unit. And there she is. Nice smooth bearings. Usually these things make some weird noises, but I think this one's going to be a decent one. Nice little light here. So I'm going to probably take off the 36 grit. I don't hardly ever grind anything that rough. We're going to put the wire wheel on this side. We'll have a 60 grit on this side. And we'll get this thing fired up for you here. Alright, got her all put back together. I did not put my guards on yet, but I just wanted to give it a test fire here. Got her plugged in. And we're going to check the variable speed all the way down on the low. Got some power. I was kind of hoping that wouldn't be so frayed out, but I guess it'll eventually work its way in there. I'm gonna fire it up wide open here. I'll see how she does. Alright, I got a old lawnmower blade and we're going to stick on it and see how powerful this thing is. See if it bogs it down or not. Right here I'm jamming it pretty hard in there. I know it bogs it down pretty quick, but I'm really sticking that blade pretty hard against it, so it actually has quite a bit of power, especially on the grinding side. Pushing pretty hard. And there it is, the Hercules 8-inch bench grinder. It is right at 1 horsepower. Does pretty good. It's got some power for some heavy cutting or grinding or wire wheeling, whatever you need to do. It definitely has some power, and I love that it's variable speed. You can slow it down for more precise grinding, or try not to get too wild. So, but there it is. It's very well built, and this thing's heavy. The bearings nice and smooth, nice cast base. So I think it's going to be a good one, especially for $100. Right at $100 is what I paid for it with my discount. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching.